Alrighty.
Hey, what's up, Zach?
I'm so thirsty. Can you help me out?
Oh, yeah, here.
Wait, what are you doing? Wow, thanks, dude.
Okay, I've got a little summer hack for you. Please don't laugh. You're gonna get free stuff out of this if you try it. Alright, so, it looks ridiculous, but this is how you get a free pair of... I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to break your Instagram. I totally forgot it's St. Patrick's Day. I didn't wear any green, so I'm just gonna fix that really quick. And there, it's a little better. If you want to be in our celebration video, all you have to do is take a selfie with the flag of your country, and then go on over to Instagram, where you can post it using the hashtag ZachKing15. Peace. Okay, come on. What? Is that a birdie? I got a birdie. Hey guys, if you want to help me make a cherry bomb sundae, like this video in 3, 2, 1. And that's how you make a cherry bomb sundae. Oh! My sundae! Oh, wee wee! No. Oh, no. Oh, come on! Has anyone seen my drawing?
Answers all of your questions about documentation and research. And what edition will we be using, class? It's right here on the board for you, class.
Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Sweet.
Are you dressed and ready to go?
Yeah, I'm dressed. I've been ready.
What are you doing? You cannot go like that.
Okay, get your hold on.
50. Ready or not? Here I come.
Found you.
Dude, this in your car?
All right, hit it. Wait, I have a different idea. Okay, stand clear. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Wow.
That was awesome.
You guys send me so much fan mail, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. It's awesome to hear from all of you around the world. But something really cool happened. It's hot today. All of your most popular coming right up. What flavor is that?
It's the cherry lime.
No! No! What's that? I need this drink. 3, 2, 1. want to say thank you so much for watching my videos this year. You guys have been a huge blessing in my life, and I just want to wish you and your